This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by RidleyReport.com. At Ridleyography, I am the bomb.
Sitting here with Heika from Keene, and you, I guess, were just, you said, rather politely threatened by someone upstairs for sending or delivering mail to a judge. Tell me about, or trying.
Yes, the Love Liberty or Love Burke to Liberty at yahoo.com. People have been sending letters to that email account, and then I have been printing them off and giving them to be delivered to Judge Burke by whoever is in the office at that time. And I was politely told that I can't do that anymore because it's a misdemeanor for influencing a judge's decision while there is a case still pending.
You were trying to deliver letters to just to the court. You weren't even sending them to his house.
Yep.
And that's what's something that was just kind of strange.
I wanted to hand deliver them to Judge Burke, but he wasn't available, so I gave them to the clerk. Mm-hmm. So, and all they said on the envelope was for Judge Burke.
Right. And these are letters that just object to his attack on Adam Miller, correct?
For jail, for sentencing him to 60 days in jail. Yes.
Yeah. And so people aren't allowed to express their concerns to a judge? Is that really what's happening here?
Not while a case is open, and I was under the impression that he was sentenced.
Isn't that the only time that matters?
Yeah, he was sentenced, jailed for, you know, his sentence was going to jail, so I thought that was closed. And then Larry, the clerk, specifically said that it was not closed because he had a video arraignment today.
I'm going to put you under oath. Please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that anything you're telling me is the truth. What was it that you did that put you in jail?
I interrupted a courtroom proceeding.
And he also said that Judge Burke would not accept the letters. So my question is, how did they know that what was in the letters, and specifically what case that the letters were about, if Judge Burke wouldn't take them? So all it said was for Judge Burke on the letters.
Okay, well, I'm glad they didn't directly try to hurt you. Better to be threatened than hurt, I guess, but...
Jailing me for
you would think
letters?
It would be okay to try to, you know, public officials are supposed to be influenced, right? And aren't the people supposed to influence public officials?
You would think, yes.
They're just not supposed to do it improperly. You're not supposed to bribe the judge.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, right.
And I don't see how any of those letters were bribing a judge.
Well, speech. It's free speech. So.
It's terrible.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll get it back someday.
Hopefully.
All right. Thanks, Heika.
You need to know that unless order is maintained in a courtroom, then constitutional rights can't be protected. There's a certain amount of dignity and decorum and most of all common courtesies that most people, unfortunately not all people, have learned by the time they get out of grade school.
Would you like to learn how to shoot videos the Ridley Report way? Then head to RidleyReport.com and shoot me an email. I can arrange to meet you for a class, provide you a 4-page instructional summary, and turn you into a Ridleyographer. Remember, shoot me an email at RidleyReport.com. At RidleyReport, I am the bomb.